maybe a girl?
Am I gonna have a boy? I really want a boy.
How long are the results gonna take?
Ladies! The results aren't ready yet. But here, you can have some candy while you wait.
Okay.
I hope it doesn't take too long.
Lily, why do you look so weird?
What are you talking about? You're the one that looks weird. Huh?
Where are we?
Welcome to the Pink vs. Blue Pregnant Food Challenge. We'll start with speed shopping. You have to find the most items in your color before the time's up.
That sounds easy.
You can't beat me.
You got 5 minutes. Go!
Oh, look at all this pink candy.
Ugh, Lily's finding so many pink things, I can't let her win. Good thing I have these.
I'll just put my blue label over the pink candy.
Haha, the judge won't even know the difference. Ooh, these look good. I'll take both of these. Ooh, look at all this cotton candy. And some gum.
All right, you guys, time to count your groceries. All right, Lily, you count first.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10? That's not that many.
10? All right, Mia, your turn.
I thought you'd never ask.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10.
Wait, what's that?
Oh, those are just noodles.
I need a closer look at that. How dare you cheat! Now Lily gets all the items that you stole.
Yay, I have 13 things now. Thanks, Mia.
I only have 10.
All right, guys, now that we have our food, let's eat.
Yay! A dome? I wonder what's in here.
Why don't we flip and find out? Ready, flip!
A pink button? I wonder what it does.
What?
A pink cake? I'm so lucky! It looks great!
No fair. I wanted the pink. Where's my candy? Ooh, I like this button. Thanks, Mia. Don't worry, I'll still give you something to eat. Now to enjoy this cake. It has Skittles! That was so good!
Hot sauce, I want my cake!
Sorry, Mia, you have to try your food if you want to move on.
Here I go. That's good!
Looks like everyone liked the food, but don't get too full. We still have more to eat.
Yay!
Get ready for the main course.
Is that frozen pizza?
Candy sushi? I have just the thing! And I'll add some popping candy for some extra flavor. Ooh, let's try it. So good!
Pepperoni pizza's so boring. I'll add goose tube and sprinkles. It looks perfect. Let's try it. Oh, I'm so full.
Me too.
There's always room for more food.
Huh? Yummy!
Let's eat.
Not so much!
For this round, you'll be making a special drink for me using the ingredients in front of you.
Huh?
You have 5 minutes to prepare the drinks. 3, 2, 1, go!
Let's pour!
My soda smells so sweet. I can add these peach candies. And now some jelly. And now popping candy for extra fizz. All done.
You still have to make your drink, Mia. Time's almost up.
Oh, I have to hurry. I guess I'll just take these candies. I need something else. It's not special. Oh! Just a little pickle juice for extra flavor.
Time's up, Mia.
I'm done. Here, try mine. I'm done.
Okay. That's interesting.
It's good, right?
Let me try Lily's now. I don't see anything weird in this one. Let's try it.
So what do you think? Isn't it great?
It's a little too sweet, but good job, guys. Let's move on to the next round. I'll give you a hand with this round. Now, let's bring out the food.
Huh?
What are we supposed to do with this?
I'm glad you asked. Before you eat the candy, you have to play rock, paper, scissors.
Ooh!
Ready, go!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, yes!
Congrats, Mia. You get to use the toy hands. Sorry, Lily, you get no hands. Let's see who finishes their candy first. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
I can't pick anything up. I would have been better with no hands.
I win!
Huh?
Congratulations, Lily. Don't worry, Mia. Let's see what we have next. No rope race. The winner gets a prize and the loser gets a penalty.
Yay!
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
It's so sour, but I can't lose. I don't want to lose. Oh, I won!
Did you, Lily? Because you didn't eat this whole piece.
Oh, how did that get there?
Congratulations, Mia. You get the prize. And Lily, you get the penalty.
Oh, is that pickle juice?
What? Oh, Lily, I'll trade you my pink candy for your pickle juice.
I'll allow it.
Ooh, I love this candy.
Cheers! So refreshing.
Did you guys like the food?
Yeah!
How about you guys? Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!